Pakistan's fight against TB has been a grim one. First up, the country reports over 50,000 new cases each year. Of particular concern are the 15,000 cases of patients who develop multi-drug resistant TB. There is much WHO focus on TB in Pakistan, and with World TB Day being observed today, there will surely be some discussion on the National Strategic Plan 2017 to 20 for TB control. First up, the conclusion will unfortunately be that millions of Pakistanis remain exposed to it. First up, thousands die every year after contracting the disease. First up, Pakistan has taken steps to curb its spread but clearly lacks some fundamental tools in its battle. WHO has identified delays in diagnosis, unsupervised, inappropriate and inadequate drug regimens, poor follow-up and lack of a social support program for high-risk populations. One severe consequence is that Pakistan is ranked 4th among countries with the highest incidence of MDR TB. First up, this is a worrisome picture worsened by the fact that although occasionally there are pledges to eradicate the disease, the subject has generally failed to cause national level concern. First up, for too many people, TB routinely represents a peril of the past, one that in the modern age can be controlled with medication. First up, meanwhile, the official effort either has not been publicized properly or is overwhelmed by other urgent concerns in this vastly populated land. First up, it will be criminal if the battle to eradicate TB is given any less attention than it deserves, and it requires as much notice, time and energy as would any challenge of proportions. First up, the eradication of TB as well as other communicable illness by 2030 is part of the Sustainable Development Goals. First up, but it seems that going by the current status of the disease in Pakistan, the battle may extend well beyond that, especially with the growing prevalence of MDR TB that cannot be cured with standard first-line medication. First up, it is time to create greater public awareness of how easily the TB germ can spread and to focus on early detection and effective therapy. First up.